Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my monthly Allure beauty box unboxing. This is for January 2020. Those that are unaware of Allure beauty boxes, they are only $10. I got this box for $10. Normally it's $15 and you get anywhere between $50 to $90 worth of product. So let's go ahead and unbox this box. So as you can see, it's, nicely lined with paper. It comes with a little pamphlet here that says refer a friend. You get rewarded for referring friends. And there's some promo codes inside, and it basically just tells you what you've got in here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm so excited. The first thing I see here is the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. This has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's a hyaluronic acid moisturizer, which is super cool. It's a water cream, so it's very lightweight, infused with hyaluronic acid, which plumps the face. Not that I need it, but it helps the skin absorb and be moisturized and look full and healthy, radiant. So this normally retails $39, and I got 7 mils. This is from the brand Philosophy. I really like their face wash. It's very gentle. Next thing in the box I'm also excited about, and I think I want to try. I'm not used to exfoliators. They don't do very well for me, but if I do maybe like once in a while it might work. This is the Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So it looks like this. It's Hollywood's 2-minute facial. It's the best-seller exfoliator infused with scrubbing exfoliants and enzymes to reveal a brighter, younger complexion after just one use. It says to lather this on the face, scrub, and then leave on for 2 minutes, but if you have sensitive skin, leave on for 1 minute. So I think I will try this. This retails for $75 for 1.7 ounces, so that's expensive. Up next we have Vitabrid. This is the C12 Dual Drop Serum. So about this serum, it is, number one, very expensive, $62. You can get it at vitabrid.com. It says there's a promo code to get a free full size of this for only $9.90, and the code is Allure, ALLURE 20 at checkout to buy this. Wow, it's valid through January through March 31st. So this is dermatologically tested. Wow. Okay, someone needs to go back to school. So it just says a new upgrade of their vitamin C dual serum skincare finalist of the 2018 Cosmoprof Awards. It helps the skin look firmer, brighter, hydrated, and it's a blend of vitamin C and peptides, reduces the signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. This is interesting because this is a big container of this. Wow. And let's just see. And here's the logo on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard. But the consistency is really very, very fine. It's super, super water weight-like. But it isn't sticky at all. It just absorbed right into my skin. So that is very promising. Up next we have NatureLab. This is the Perfect Shine Oil for hair. Oil mist. Color and heat protectant, paraben free. This is from Tokyo. It says lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. You know what I would do in this situation? I never spray stuff directly on my hair that is like an oil like this. I always spray it into my hands, and then I put it on the ends of my hair. That way it's not greasy. So if you have very fine hair, I would spray this into your hands and put it on the ends of your hair. So it says for a light reflecting hair oil mist for instant smooth wow factor, color and shine. Interesting. There's also a promo code for that too for 15% off the order. I don't know, but it looks very cool. Alright, this next product, I know you guys are going to think I'm nuts, but this is what I'm most excited about. This is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Balm. It's the, lip restoration. Okay, so I'm so excited. It is one of the few that actually gets the PRACKT status because it has almond and castor and beeswax. Almond oil, castor oil, and beeswax are the main ingredients in here, which are the number 3 top ingredients that needs to be in a lip treatment to prevent dryness, to aid in healing of wounds and blisters and windburn and everything like that. So even Fresh brand and Laneige, they don't have that in it. This does, and this is worth $30. So it doesn't feel thick like an ointment, it says, and it has a light citrus smell from the orange peel, packed with antioxidants. Dab it on rough patches all day, but reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. So wow, it leaves a smooth base. It's paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free, sulfate free, cruelty free, natural, organic, and wild harvested. Wow. You guys, you know how hard it is to find good lip treatments? Tibetan-inspired beauty, too. A lightweight, creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lip. Antioxidants work to protect against sun damage and lessen the appearance of lines. Smells of freshly brewed rose orange tea. The lip restoration is made of pure plant-based ingredients and free of mineral oil. You guys, so it comes with like in a little tin. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. It has a very light scent. Very, very light. I want to feel this. Ooh. You guys see this? I barely touched that. That is so lightweight. See that little glaze there? It's so lightweight. I barely touched it. Look. And I put a big dent in it because it's so super soft. It definitely is not thick at all. Very, very thin. And it basically just penetrated right into my hand. That is amazing. Up next, we have a full-size mascara. It's Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. These are cruelty-free, vegan-free. I don't know. 4-in-1 mascara has the before here and then the after, which looks very promising in the shade black. I'm just going to show you the packaging because I've already owned this and I don't really use it, but this is really cute. It's in yellow packaging. But this will be going into a giveaway for one of you to win at a later date. I have so many mascaras that come in that I don't need mascaras. I found my $1 Shop Miss A one that I just can't get enough of. I'm obsessed with it. It's the Fat Lash from Shop Miss A. It's a tubing mascara. Anyway, it's worth so much money. I know it is, and it's only $1, and I can't believe I discovered that it was a tubing mascara. Anyway, last thing I have is the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser, Moisturizing Grape and Purifying Sage. Purifying Sage. So this is 150 mils, 5 fluid ounces, 0 parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, 1% for the planet. Nothing is in English on the back of here. I'm just kind of improvising. Okay. So it looks like it turns into some sort of airy foam for gentle cleansing. It is soap free. Balances the natural skin. Restores radiance, softness, and comfort. Okay. 98% 7 natural origin ingredients. Against animal testing. I know Caudalie is a really good brand. I know a lot of makeup artists use Caudalie, and I've never used a Caudalie face wash before. This is made in France. This is looking really, really cool. This is, I want to see. Scared. So it's nice foam. And then it just goes right into the skin. Ooh, the fragrance is very, very light. It just smells very, very fresh. That is everything I got in my box, but that's a lot of stuff for $10. Can you imagine? Ipsy, I'm thinking what I've got from Ipsy, and here I got 2 full-size products, actually 3 full-size products. Let me go ahead, calculate what this was worth. I paid $10, and I will come back to tell you how much this box retails. Okay, I've added everything up. I did not add the little sample things, you know, like these, like the Kate Somerville and the Vitae thing, because I don't want to figure out how much of a percent of that from $65 or whatever it is, from one, 0.5 ounce of one, I don't know. I'm not doing it that way. I just added up all the full-size products, and it retailed for $97. So I paid $10.80, and I got $97 worth of product plus more. So yeah, if you guys want me to keep doing these unboxings, just hit the like button, thumbs this video up, and leave me a comment down below. Tell me do you get Allure boxes? Do you want me to keep doing Allure unboxings? Do you love Allure unboxings? Have you experienced anything before from it? I've done Allure unboxings before and never have been impressed. Not as impressed as I am with this box. So, yes, I've stumbled over my words about 1,000 times today. I'm very tired. It is nighttime. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and until I see you into my next video, make sure to comment down below so we can start a conversation in the comments. Have a great one. Bye.